Well, it's another week later and the bluebells are still out, as you can see behind me. I'm waiting for the rain to stop and the sun to come out, because that will be rather nice, I think. Pick off these nice trees. I think they're beech behind me. Oh, the rain's getting heavier now. I think it might be time to get out the umbrella. So I shall be back shortly. All the conditions are just beautiful at the moment. I've these two young trees. I've moved left and right a bit to try and line them up with the trees behind, you know, because it's always chaotic in the woods. There's things in the way, things behind that are sort of obstructing the view as well. But the sun at the moment is picking off these bluebells in the foreground. Oh my god, it's just such a pretty little shot. I've gone portrait to get the foreground in. So I may go probably 4x5, I think. That looked really lovely. Yeah, what a great afternoon. It's very still, there's no wind. So there's not going to be any issues with leaf blur or anything like that. Oh, let's do another. Just keep shooting. I'm only here once. Yeah, I'm gonna I think I'm done here at this spot, so I'll have a wander around. I know where else to go. Across the other side of the woods there's another beautiful patch. I'll just keep wandering around till I see something good. Well, I was almost done. I was on my way back and the rain really started coming down, but the sun was out behind it. And it's late in the afternoon now, about 5 o'clock. So the sun's pretty low. And I've got my eye on this tree behind me here, and there's a little trackway going through. And I think that's created by deer, to be honest, because I just saw one. A roe deer bounding off as it detected me. This is a beautiful little spot. The fresh leaves of that beech tree are just picked off nicely. Sunlight and the bluebells just below it. Lovely. Yeah, I'm a little damp, but I don't care. I really don't care. It's just lovely to be out in such a peaceful place. All I can hear is a blackbird singing behind me somewhere. Yeah, that's what it's about. Being out and just enjoying the surroundings. But yeah, I think that's it really for today. I shall leave it there, and I'll pop this one up, this photograph. It's in portrait mode because I wanted to get the foreground in, and I took some others of some close-up shots of bluebells and other things, so I'll leave you with a little slideshow. It's been a beautiful afternoon, so don't forget to like and subscribe if you want. If you don't, who cares? See you next time.